Hi everyone, I just got this brand new camera and I'm really excited to show you how it works and tell you all about it. I am going to use this camera as an indoor camera. As you can see, it's great for pet care and that is what I'm planning on using it for. You can also use it as a baby monitor for elderly care. You can also put it outside as a business security, home security, anything. So I'm going to be using it for pet care. So I'm going to use it when I'm away from the house to see if my dog is okay, see how he's doing. And actually, I love the fact that it has a two-way talk feature. So I can actually talk to my pup while I'm away and make sure that he knows that he's not all alone. And it does also have a bunch of other features as well if you're planning on using it for more high-tech security. So it has intelligent alerts, so it will tell you through the app that it uses if somebody's in your house or if there's motion. It will also, again, use that two-way audio. It has great night vision, human detection, so it'll tell you if there's a person walking around in your house or outside your house. And it does have this remote pan and tilt. This is a 360-degree camera, so it's going to rotate all the way around and up and down, so it really gives you super clear picture of what is going on in your home. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and then take it out and tell you all about it. First thing inside the box is the camera itself. So it was really nicely wrapped, packaged really well. You can see it's completely sealed up in here. I'm just going to open it up, take out the camera, and look at that. So it's a nice small design. It also comes in black and white. I like the black color just because it kind of blends in at night, so it's not as noticeable, but you can choose whichever you'd like. It does have this protective screen right on top on front here, so I'm just going to peel that off so the camera can really get a clear view when we do our test. You can see that this does move up and down, and you can control this all through the app, which I'll show you. So that moves up and down, and then this is going to rotate as well. So you can rotate the camera 360 degrees all the way around both directions so that you can really see everything inside. On the back here is the charger and the reset button. So if you need to reset the camera for whatever reason, and this camera does need to be plugged in to use it. So you want to make sure that it's near an outlet so that you can use the camera and keep it plugged in and working at all times. So the last thing in the box is going to be the accessories that come with the camera. So here is the USB charger cord. This is going to be what is going to plug in the camera. So here is the cord. I'm just going to pop that right in the back. And then this side is going to connect to a block. And you can go ahead and start that. Here is the block. Perfect. So you have everything you need right here to get your camera up and running. So I'm just going to plug that in. And then all you need to do is just plug this into an outlet. The other thing inside here is just some mounting hardware. If you wanted to use screws to mount right here, you can mount it on a wall. You could screw it to a table just so that it doesn't move. Totally optional. And here is the guide for mounting. So if you did want to mount it, you can use this circle. Just put the circle sticker and it shows you exactly where to drill. It also comes with this quick manual guide. Again, it's a really simple camera to get set up. It just tells you a little bit about the buttons and what it does, how to get it connected. And this QR code is going to bring you right to the app that you can use with the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and scan that app and get it set up and then test the camera out. So once the app was downloaded, you just are brought to a screen and you need to select the type of camera you have. So this app works with a few different types of cameras and you can actually use more than one device on the app. So if you have a few cameras set up, you can connect them all right here. So once I chose the camera that I had, all you need to do is turn on the camera and wait for the red flashing light. And then once that light was flashing, you just point the camera at this QR code and it connects right away to the network. So it was so simple. It took about 1 minute maybe to connect and the camera was up and ready to go. So once the camera was on, it asked a few preferences, just of how often you'd like to see notifications. You have to name the camera, so where it's going to be in your house, you can give it a name, just again, if in case you have a few. And the app was up and running. So you can see I have it in my living room. There is the picture of the living room right there. It just asks again to connect. And then you can use all the different features of the app. So you can see on the bottom, there's a bunch of different buttons and icons that you can use. You can turn the camera to be full screen on your phone. It just flips it to the side and then you can see even more clear. And you can scroll around as well. So you can see there's saved videos if you have anything saved. if you have taken a recording manually, you can find it here. And also you can use this part to set off the siren. You can use it as a two-way talk. You can use it, just any kind of the buttons. This one, you can see, you can scroll from side to side. This is all right from the app too, so you can do it manually, or you can do it from a remote location. So if you were checking in on your pet or checking the security of your house, you can scroll around, again, using that 360 view and go up and down, just using simple touch of a button. So again, super easy to use. It really, really was amazing. So now I just wanted to test out how it would work if I walked through the room and what it would look like for a person using that human detection, and also record it. So I pressed the record button and then I just walked through the room, and this was recording on the app, and it sent the video directly to my phone. So it saved it in my phone. You can also save it in the cloud if you'd like to, whichever works for you if you're doing a manual record. So I just recorded for a few seconds, and you can see the picture was really clear on the app. And then next I'm going to show you the picture that was saved as the video, so you can see how clear it is there. So here is the video that was saved to my phone that I pressed and manually recorded. So again, so clear, great picture. It was really, really easy to use. I would definitely recommend getting this camera either to check in on your pet, home security. You can use it indoors, outdoors, whatever you would like. So I hope you found this helpful, and I would give this camera a try. Thanks.